Hello Foxies, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very special review today. It is on a purple product, and not just any old purple product, but a bold, unique purple product, which happens to be one of my favorite. I have used a bold, unique shampoo before, but certainly not everything that's in this kit. So we're gonna test out everything. I'm very, very excited about this. This product was given to me for review today. So let me open this up and show you what's inside. We have the bold, unique purple shampoo, the purple conditioner, and also a purple mask. So we're going to use all three products today. It comes with a pair of gloves, so that way you don't stain your hands and fingernails, and this is also biodegradable, so you can just throw it away and it disintegrates into nothing. There's also a little instructional packet. The way I'll be handling this, I will be shampooing my hair with regular shampoo, then I'm going to go in with the purple shampoo, then the purple conditioner, and lastly the mask. And we're not going to stop there, because I'm also going to use a Bold Unique heat protectant. I've never used one of these before, and I am super excited to try their brand of heat protectants. So be sure to stay all the way through where I style my hair, straighten it out, use this product, and see what we think. So let's get started. I started by washing my hair with regular shampoo. This helps to remove any buildup and prepares the hair to fully absorb the purple toning products. Next, apply the Bold Unique purple shampoo to my hair. I lathered it well and let it sit for a few minutes. I absolutely love the smell of this shampoo. It has a sweet grapefruit scent and it's simply delicious. As I rinse my hair, the water turns a vibrant violet color, which is very satisfying to see. After rinsing out the shampoo, apply the Bold Unique purple conditioner. Unlike the shampoo, the conditioner has a powdery scent with a hint of vanilla. Work it through all of your hair and let it sit for a few minutes. I waited about 10 minutes with mine. And when I rinsed out the conditioner, the water turned a vibrant indigo color. Now it's time to apply the Bold Unique purple hair mask. The mask has a similar scent to the conditioner, which is quite pleasant. As I apply the mask, I notice how smooth my hair feels from the conditioner. After letting the mask sit on for a few minutes, I rinse it out, and once again the water turns a nice indigo shade. Since it's hot today, I'm opting to let my hair air dry instead of using a blow dryer. Once my hair is dry, it looks a bit bushy and frizzy, so I decided to use a flat iron for a sleek finish. For a heat protectant, I'm using the Bold Unique Coconut Treatment Spray. While this spray is usually applied to damp hair, I missed that step and I'm only using it on dry hair before flat ironing. The spray has a very wonderful scent with a very subtle coconut aroma, but it's topped with a delightful almond fragrance. After straightening my hair, I apply one of my very favorite oils as a finishing touch, the 13-in-1 Epic Oil by Sustainable Glam. This oil has a beautiful orange scent. Despite using several scented products today, they all blend harmoniously, leaving my hair smelling sweet like grapefruit and orange with hints of almond and vanilla. Now for the results. The pigments in the Bold Unique products are very strong and effective, and they remove the yellow tones and brassiness for sure. My hair did turn a bit bluish purple, but this will fade with another wash using regular shampoo. Personally, I love this temporary color, and I plan to keep it in until my next wash day. If you're on a silver hair journey and want to cancel out yellow tones from your demarcation line, I highly recommend trying the Bold Unique purple shampoo, conditioner, and mask trio gift set. It delivers on its promise to brighten your hair and remove unwanted brassy tones, leaving your hair looking and smelling fantastic.